In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view email password in Outlook. If you signed into Outlook on the web and told your browser to save your credentials, you can see that save password from your browser's password manager. Only do this on a computer you trust, and remember you may be asked to confirm your device sign-in before anything is revealed. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for outlook.live.com. This takes you to Outlook on the web and reminds you exactly which account you're working with. You don't need to change anything here. The actual place to view a saved password is inside the browser settings. Next, open your browser settings. As an example in Chrome, go to Settings, then Autofill, then Password Manager. Other browsers put this in a similar spot, usually under Passwords or Privacy and Security. You're looking for the section that lists saved website passwords. Once you're in the Password Manager, use the search box and type Outlook or live.com. That filters the list to entries related to Outlook on the web. If you see more than one result, pick the one that matches the email you use for Outlook, and double-check the website shown is outlook.live.com or a Microsoft sign-in page. Click the entry to open its details, and then click the eye icon next to the password field to reveal it. For security, your computer will likely prompt you to authenticate first. Approve that prompt with your device password, PIN, or biometric sign-in. After that, the password will be visible. You can read it, copy it to paste somewhere safe, or update it if needed. Be careful not to display it where others can see, and avoid saving it in plain text documents. One quick note: if you're on a shared or public machine, don't reveal or leave passwords visible, and consider removing the saved entry after you've recovered it. On your own device, it's a good idea to store passwords in a dedicated password manager and have two-step verification enabled on your Microsoft account. That way, even if someone sees the password, your account stays protected. If nothing shows up when you search for Outlook or live.com, the password may not have been saved on this browser. In that case, try the browser you normally use for Outlook, or sign in again later and choose Save when the browser offers to remember your password. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.